Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. Today we are doing this 9-minute Rana, Italian's most loved organic chicken Alfredo tagliatelle with fresh spinach. We're gonna try this out. See, it's really 9 minutes to make, cause your girl just wanna eat. She been drinking a lot of beer. So your girl just wanna eat. Period. It's Friday night. I just want to eat. I've been drinking, smoke a little weed, listening to my music. Just living my life right now. My own sleep. So let's do the reveal. What? This is the tagliatelle. Oh, really pretty. Got this in Costco's, by the way. You can get this in Costco's. This is organic white grilled chicken. We only use organic white meat, raised without antibiotics. And I guess this is the fresh spinach, organic sauce, Alfredo sauce with spinach. It says, carefully open clear pouch of tagliatelle sauce and lay tagliatelle in a bowl, spreading them gently so they are well separated. Okay. Shake the pouch of sauce well and carefully cut open the pouch. Pour contacts on top of pasta, making sure pasta is evenly coated. So I need to warm up this sauce. This sauce is bricky. It's brickety brick. So I grabbed the biggest microwave safe bowl I have. So that's what I'm gonna do. Or do they mean the bowl that it comes in? What bowl do they mean? LA tagliatelle bowl. Probably mean the bowl that it came with. I'm just gonna do the bowl that it came with. Take the chicken out. I'm gonna wash this. Your girl took a shower, getting ready for dinner, because after dinner, brush my teeth, then I'm going to bed. So let's see the final product. It said put it in for 9 minutes. And it said wait. Let's see. It said wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. Let's take it out. That's what it's looking like. So I'm gonna spread everything out. I'm gonna plate it. Alright, so I got 2 Parmesans. I got the regular Parmesan and then I got truffle Parmesan with black garlic. So we're gonna try it by itself. No. Let's eat this up. I'm gonna need Parmesan. This Alfredo is bam. The spinach gives it a nice flavor. I love these noodles, tagliatelle noodles. Oh, it's so good. A little regular Parmesan. Oh, that's good. It does need Parmesan. I don't need it. I just like cheese. So now truffle Parmesan. trying to get a piece of chicken. There we go. With the chicken. Don't need the truffle. It adds more salt. And it doesn't use salt. So regular Parmesan, that's a good thing to add. Overall, I give this a 10 out of 10. This is a 10 out of 10. Easy homemade pasta. Well, not homemade, but it's an easy cooked dinner meal. Like, and especially if you have your family can make it, your kids can make it. It's literally in the microwave. This is how that's it for this video. Go check this out. I'm gonna put the link down below and on my social medias and everything else. After this, I'm gonna brush my teeth and knock out, because it's about to make me have a coma. That's why I do this. I always take a shower before I eat dinner, because I know I'm gonna knock out from a food coma. And the chicken is so juicy, not even dry. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Anyways, deuces. Remember, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and be you. Your girl's out.